When we got the new TV, we got a bigger one. And I thought it was too high up on the wall. It didn't look right to me. I did not like that. And so when I said I wanted to try to lower it, I passed the ball to you and you took over for me and helped me do that.
All right, I may be able to demonstrate that for you guys right now. So there is a fantastic piece of product called the Mantel Mount, and it's designed for exactly this application. So I'm about average height, I'm 5'10". You can see the mantel behind me is about the same height as I am. So this TV is really too high based on the viewing area. So how do we solve that? Very simply. So I can take one hand and pull on this contraption, the mantel mount. Now watch what I do with my fingers. Just bring this down. This is how simple this works. And lower this to a much more viewable height that makes it a lot more fun, a lot easier to access from the couch, and it just fixes every single inherent problem with having a very tall mantel. So one of the problems that we had with this installation is our clients really wanted to do a surround system to make this a fun family viewing area. The biggest problem we had is the house is constructed on a slab, so there's no way for us to get under the home. Traditional crawl spaces facilitate running wires. It's an exterior wall, it's a stone fireplace, and we have a finished room above us. Everything is against us for our traditional complement of either in-wall or in-ceiling speakers.